in the cuddle.
Spinner.
And I'll spin her behind my back and catch her with my left arm here. And the second one is a little more fancy where you can actually spin her and you spin as well and catch that left arm. The wheel. I'm in the cuddle. The left arm is up. And you'll have to tell them this. A lot of people like to lead with this top hand. With the right hand, I just turn it. So left arm is up, you can just turn it. And she'll stay there. Okay? As I walk, I'll then reverse it, so left over her head, followed by the right behind it. And I'll switch the walk, the direction of my walk. To get out of it, I bring the right arm over her head, and I toss it underneath the left. Spin it back as a backslide. My forearm is in to catch the forearm. I come directly over the top of her arm. My left arm is behind me. A lot of girls will come underneath the arm. Right there, that's bad. So a lot of times I'll duck underneath. Make sure it comes over that arm. The further you duck forward, the easier it is to rotate. So I'm walking backwards, I rotate, I walk forwards, and vice versa to get out of it. As I reverse there, I swing her all the way around my body, catch behind. Also, the other way to get out is if she's on my right side here, I'll just I'll let go of the left arm behind me, and I'll just spin out over the top of my head. Over her head, not mine. This is an arm slide. Spin it to the left again. That's once, then bring both arms over our head. We can walk in a circle. The reverse, I take this top arm, I drop it behind, in front. She grabbed it here. Then I just bring both arms up. One spin, two spins, left on my head, right over her head. To get out of it, I drop that right hand, I grab her shoulder, and I'll spin her out. Tornado. Oof. I don't know. I think I remember this. So I want him here. Once I reverse it, you come to the other side, or like I showed you beforehand, I'll drop this hand, and what I do is I'll put pressure on this shoulder. She'll duck underneath into a dip. Very real. Okay, I'm in the cuddle. I drop the middle, so the middle hands. Then both of us will spin to the right. I'll switch sides, drop the middle hands, and I spin to the right again. On this though, the guy lead is to push with the left arm. So I spin to the right, I'll push that left arm, which will spin in, and I reverse again. So the formula is drop the middle, spin to the right, switch. Drop the middle, spin to the right, switch. Crane. This is an arm slide. I pull her towards my body, I stop her on her back, I push it, I open up, she pushes me on my back, and we can continue to do so. I like to switch, or do an extra spin with that in the middle of it, just to mix it up a little bit. The wheel pretzel is just the idea of basically where you go into the wheel, okay? And you can just start going into different moves of combinations. It's the same thing like you come into the pretzel, whatever. But it's like a wheel to back, whatever. It's just that idea of adding combos. What I like to do is I like to backslide. I catch the fingers on this and I turn it to the right, okay? So as I turn to the right, I do a hop step underneath, come over her head, 1, 2, push, other hand is out, and then the final, and the left arm on her lower back is when she'll stop, okay? You can do it a lot of ways if you like to. When you come underneath again, you can also spin with it. So as you hit, you can spin and be done. Okay, cuddle. This is fun. So I'm in the cuddle, the left arm comes up, I spin her all the way out. Okay, the key on this, I like to keep her on my right side. I give her my 2 fingers, and my right hand, my thumb comes over the top of her hand as my left comes down. And then I give her 2 fingers, my elbow faces the ceiling. She comes all the way around into the cockeyed cuddle. You can walk around, then like the cuddle duck out, you put pressure on the arms, out with the left arm. This is your brother's move. I think it was, I think it was kind of just a backslide, pull her in front of you, catch this hand behind, and you just slide it. Okay. Okay, so I call this the wash or head-to-head quick spins, I guess. So when I get her in the cuddle, I'll come here, and you can just go side to side real quick, over, and then out. It's kind of fun. I know the romantic. I don't know if the reverse is whatever, but when I'm in the romantic, the left arm comes out, I push her out, then I bring both arms over my head and hers, and you can walk in a funnel like this. Then I let go of the right arm, and she can spin out. I'll just go over her head once, go over my head again, and then around my body. Salsa spin, you can get into it like you did the American spin, like I'm underneath. It's a 1-2, I hold on over her head, 1-2, and then I make a little circle around her. I do about 2 or 3 times, and then I'm done. I'm in the cuddle, left arm is up. At this point I start to walk the whole time. I'll duck underneath the left arm. The right arm will swing around me, her arm is straight. I come and grab the wrist to my hip, left arm over the top, and swim over and catch the right hand. What I go is I pull it towards me, I stop on her hip, switch it, and I can do that as long as you'd like. I'm in the cuddle. Thing that I like to do. My right arm comes to her forearm. I spin it over her head. I yell duck on that shoulder. She'll come around and you catch with the left arm here. So in like fast speed, I guess, it would be here, all the way around, and I duck. Okay, double dip is basically, you're gonna spin her down here, but this time you can't grab my waist. So when I dip down, come here, and then I bring her up underneath my arm, and then dip back down again. Right? Does that make sense? I'm just in the cuddle, I pull her towards me, she spins behind me, not in the cuddle, but just in a basic. Okay? I hold the right hand, and she'll spin behind me. Sometimes I'll tell them to turn it in as well, and if you want to over-exaggerate it, as you turn in, you can push her down, and that'll really make her spin. Bow and arrow is a backslide. 2 spins with the left arm. I switch to the right, then I'll stop her and shoot that arrow. Arm spins is just it's a girl turn. I just catch that back arm, and I just do a couple of these, and I'll have her just duck underneath and spin out. It's the crash. There's a couple variations to this, okay? The first one is I pull her here, I crash off the hip, and I catch that right hand. It's just a really small move to add a little flavor to the dance. Yeah. Okay, next is I like to grab here, I bring my shin up, and then I push her back out. Merry-go-round as well. I'm in the cuddle, the left arm is up. We'll do this slow. And I grab her back here. I continue to spin to here, my left arm behind her. Okay? And you can move around her like that. Round up. This might hurt my elbow, but I love this move. This is the only move that hurts my elbow still right now. But I'm going to do it for you. Okay. So what I do is I catch this right hand here. I bring it to her around her neck, whatever. Okay, I'll go over the top, and then I pull her back and catch this left arm on that hip, and I'll spin with it. Okay? So in fast motion, I backslide, I stop her here, I come all the way over the top. So how it goes. I'm in the cuddle, I spin her out to the right, and I hook behind me as I slide. Left arm dip. Okay. As I get in the arm slide, I bring her all the way around, my left arm stays in front of her, and then I jump up to a dip here. Jungle jam. You want to do it both ways? Okay. So the jungle gym I taught to the beginning class one year, and we'll show you the easy way to do that. So I'm in the cuddle, okay? I roll her out, and she comes here, and my left arm comes underneath to here. So I bring her up, back down. Okay? That's the simple, easy way for the beginning class. And the other way is you get back into the cuddle. You're going to kind of do like an around the world. Okay, I stop her here. Then I swing her around and down. Back. I'll pull her behind my back. I stop her. I slide down, catch the left arm, and spin her down. All right, I stop her on her back here. I tell her to duck. Come with the left arm to the other side, duck again, and then the goose, I spin her all the way around. You can do that, or you can even, so when I stop her, I go duck again. I catch this right hand, and then I stop her here, and then spin her out as well. Okay, this is one we learned yesterday, I think. Backslide. My right arm is up as I do a girl turn. I catch on top, okay? To my right shoulder as it went over her head. This comes to my left shoulder. Left arm to her outside shoulder. Right arm over my head. Slide out. So, I'm interested to see what this looks like in fast motion. Okay, so we're gonna do it.
Scoot back a little bit.
Cool. Okay. My back slide, the right hand is up. I spin. Over the top. I love this move. Okay. So I backslide. I catch my right hand. What I like to do is I actually let go of it and catch it again. Now you hold the left arm out in front, and then tell her to duck, and I'll come over the top like that. So I let go of the right arm, and I'll spin her back out like this.